How to use Claude AI to write a book in 2026. Full beginner guide. Want to write a book but feel stuck staring at a blank page? The truth is Claude AI can help you finish your book, but not in the way you probably think. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use Claude as your writing partner, so you can go from idea to finished manuscript in weeks instead of years. The biggest mistake beginners make is asking Claude to write their book for them. That does not work. Claude is not a ghostwriter. Claude is a contractor. You need to provide the blueprint and direction. Let me walk you through the exact process. Step 1. Write your one-page concept document before touching Claude. This is the foundation. Answer these questions clearly. What is your book about? Who is your ideal reader? What are you trying to teach or accomplish? Why are you the right person to write this? What is the core thesis or main idea? Step 2. Do your research. Read books on your topic, gather sources, watch videos, interview experts if needed, take notes. The more specific research you have, the better Claude can help you organize it. Step 3. Use Notebook LM or another tool to create an outline grounded in your research. Do not ask Claude for an outline yet. Build the structure of your book yourself first. It should be detailed with chapter titles and main points for each chapter. Step 4. Create a Claude project for your book. Go to Claude.ai, click Projects, click Create Project, name it your book title. This keeps your entire book in one place with persistent context. Step 5. Upload your one-page concept document and your detailed outline to the project. This gives Claude the full context of what you are writing. Step 6. Create a detailed writing prompt. This is not just write my book. Your prompt should say something like, you are a professional developmental editor and writing coach specializing in nonfiction about blank. I am writing a book for blank. The main thesis is blank. My writing style should be blank. Your job is to help me outline chapters, identify weak arguments, suggest examples, and refine my prose. Here is my concept document and outline. Now I will share chapters one by one. Your job is to read each chapter and give feedback on structure, clarity, examples, and flow. Step 7. Write your first chapter and paste it into Claude. Ask for specific feedback. Do not ask make this better. Ask specific questions like is the opening hook strong enough? Does this example clearly illustrate my point? Are there logical gaps in this argument? Is the tone consistent with my voice? Step 8. Claude gives you targeted feedback. You read it, decide what feedback to implement and rewrite that section yourself. Step 9. Paste the revised section back into Claude and ask for feedback again. This is an iterative process. Claude learns your voice and gets better at feedback with each cycle. Step 10. Move to the next chapter and repeat. By chapter 3, Claude understands your book, your voice, and your intentions deeply. Feedback becomes increasingly valuable. Step 11. Use Claude for structural issues. After you have drafted multiple chapters, ask Claude to analyze the overall structure. Upload chapters 1 through 5 and ask Claude to identify repeating themes, check if your arguments build logically, and suggest reorganization if needed. Step 12. Ask Claude to catch consistency issues. Upload your entire manuscript and ask Claude to find inconsistencies in terminology, contradicting statements, or characters who change between chapters. Step 13. Use Claude as your editorial partner for final polish. Ask Claude to flag awkward phrasing, unclear sentences, or sections that lose momentum. Claude will identify issues across your entire manuscript that you would miss reading it yourself. Step 14. Create a book summary or back cover copy. Tell Claude to read your full manuscript and write compelling copy that summarizes your book in a way that makes readers want to buy it. Step 15. Prepare for publication. Ask Claude to help with formatting, section headers, bullet points, pull quotes, or any structural elements needed for your final manuscript. Important things to know about using Claude for book writing. Claude has a 200,000 token context window. This means your entire book outline, manuscript drafts, and notes can stay in one conversation. Claude remembers your entire book in detail, not as a vague summary. This is transformative for revision because Claude can make Chapter 8 align with Chapter 2. Claude writes more naturally and conversationally than ChatGPT. It is better for dialogue, humor, and natural prose. This is why most professional writers choose Claude for long-form projects. Your book contains your voice, your ideas, and your insights. Claude helps you organize and present those ideas more effectively. Claude does not replace your thinking. Claude amplifies your thinking. Pro tip: the most powerful use of Claude is not generation but diagnosis. Do not ask Claude to write sections. Ask Claude to read what you have written and tell you what is not working. This is how you go from a rough first draft to a publishable manuscript. Claude is exceptionally good at spotting logical gaps, weak transitions, and structural problems that humans miss because they are too close to their own work. So to recap, write your one-page concept document, do your research, create a detailed outline, create a Claude project for your book, upload your concept and outline. Write a detailed prompt defining your voice and goals. Share chapters one by one and ask for specific feedback. Iterate with Claude through multiple revisions. Ask Claude for structural analysis across multiple